Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best detail cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any car enthusiast or anyone who takes pride in their vehicle's appearance. Maintaining a spotless car interior and exterior can be a challenge, but with the right tools, it becomes a satisfying and even enjoyable task. Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive detail cleaning kit, exploring its features, and determining if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. Tired of dust and dirt in your car's hard-to-reach places? This cleaning gel is perfect for getting into vents, crevices, and other areas. It's the ideal solution for keeping your car spotless. Using the gel is simple. Just take it out, knead it, and press it onto the dirty surface. Then, slowly pull it away, and the dirt comes with it. It's that easy to use. This cleaning putty can be used multiple times until its color changes. After use, simply return it to its jar and store it in a cool place. Remember, don't wash it with water. Made from a high-tech material, this car slime has a pleasant lavender scent. It's sticky enough to grab dust but won't stick to your hands, leaving no residue behind. Every cleaning gel is sold brand new. If you have any issues with your order, like a damaged package or dirty gel, please contact us immediately. We're here to help solve your problem. What we like. This cleaning gel is perfect for those hard-to-reach spots in your car. It's super easy to use, just press and lift to remove dust and debris. If you're tired of struggling to clean those tight spaces, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Effective cleaning power. The cleaning gel works wonders in removing dust, dirt, and debris from hard-to-reach areas, such as car vents, crevices, and gaps. It lifts away grime effortlessly, leaving surfaces looking refreshed and clean. Versatile and reusable, this gel can be used on various surfaces within the car, including dashboard, console, steering wheel, and door handles. It molds itself to fit into tight spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning. It was very easy to clean up dust inside of my car, and it also collected other objects and items I didn't even notice. There was no strong odor from the putty. Number 4. Chemical Guys Foaming Fabric Clean Drill Brush Kit. This kit is trusted by detailers and car care enthusiasts. It deep cleans and deodorizes carpets, upholstery, and floor mats with high foaming action and a fresh citrus scent. This car interior cleaner breaks down tough stains from coffee, soda, food, and pets. It also neutralizes odors at the source, leaving a lasting freshness. The kit includes a drill brush that agitates and lifts dirt from fabric fibers. This delivers faster, more effective cleaning with minimal effort. The gentle yet effective formula works on synthetic and natural fibers. It is designed to clean without causing fading or damage. Simply spray the fabric cleaner directly onto the surface. Then, agitate with the drill brush or by hand, and blot or vacuum for a clean, fresh-smelling finish. It's perfect for vehicle carpets, floor mats, and upholstery. You can also use it on RVs, boats, and household fabric surfaces like furniture and rugs. What we like. This kit is a game changer for your car's interior. The high foaming action and drill brush make cleaning carpets and upholstery a breeze. If you have kids or pets, or if you simply want a fresh-smelling car, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The brushes are soft and don't scratch the paint. The kit includes a variety of brushes for different cleaning tasks. The detailing tools are great for getting into tight spaces. Number 3. Car Cleaning Kit with Handheld Vacuum. This kit includes everything you need for a thorough car cleaning. It comes with a vacuum cleaner, various brushes, and microfiber towels. It's designed to make cleaning your car easier and more effective. The handheld vacuum has strong suction power. It connects to your car's 12V lighter port with a long power cord. This allows you to reach all areas of your car for a complete clean. The car wash brush has a long handle that extends up to 25 inches. It also features a 180-degree rotation design. This makes it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas with minimal effort. The detailing brushes are made of soft, durable microfiber material. They are comfortable to handle and won't scratch your car's surfaces. They are perfect for removing dirt and dust from your car's interior. This kit is suitable for both interior and exterior car cleaning. It can be used for cleaning tires, glass, and more. All the tools come in a handy case for easy storage. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for a complete car cleaning experience. With a powerful vacuum and a long-handled brush, it makes both interior and exterior cleaning easy. If you're looking for a one-stop solution to keep your car spotless, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The foam sprayer works well in my opinion. The selector wheel on it did its job also. I used the 5 for foam and 0 to rinse. Very easy to use. The measurements have allowed me to use a consistent volume of soap instead of just eyeballing it in a bucket. It makes it quicker to just wash and rinse. You can pause the flow of the water. Plus all the additional tools. Number 2. Chemical Guys 7-piece Car Care and Cleaning Kit. This Chemical Guys detailing kit is a complete starter kit. It includes 7 essential detailing products with 6 premium 16-ounce chemicals, perfect for beginners and enthusiasts. This kit features soaps, waxes, and protectants. It is designed to clean, shine, and safeguard paint, wheels, and surfaces, delivering a complete detailing experience. The kit is designed for both inside and outside cleaning tasks. You can use it on dashboards, glass, paintwork, wheels, and more, ensuring a spotless finish. Each product is formulated with high-quality ingredients. They are trusted by car care professionals to provide durable protection and high-gloss shine. This Chemical Guys kit is a great gift. It is perfect for car lovers, new car owners, and detailing enthusiasts who want a complete starter kit. The kit has a simple step-by-step system. This makes it easy for anyone to wash, wax, and detail like a pro. No experience is necessary to achieve amazing results. What we like. This kit is designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. It includes everything you need to wash, wax, and protect your car. If you're new to car detailing or want a simple, effective way to keep your car looking its best, this kit is the perfect starting point. What people say. All of their products are great. Excellent service, and the products I use are outstanding and make your car look brand new. Excellence productos, puedes detalar tu auto de manera profesional. Number 1. Wontolf Car Wash Cleaning Kit. This Wontolf kit is the ultimate collection of car cleaning tools. It's a fantastic gift for car enthusiasts, covering everything needed to keep cars, RVs, SUVs, and trucks shiny and clean. The kit includes a super concentrated citrus-flavored car wash soap. It delivers loads of foam and suds for a great wash. You can use it with a wash mitt, foam gun, or foam cannon. It not only cleans but also enhances your car's paint. This product simplifies interior cleaning. It's designed to clean and protect almost all interior surfaces with just one product. Simply mist it on and wipe it off for professional-grade results. The wheel cleaner uses oxygen-infused cleaners to create a foaming lather. This lubricates surfaces, gently removing dirt and grime. It's an all-natural solution for fast and thorough wheel cleaning. The kit includes a delicate and durable car wheel and tire brush. It has a sturdy handle and soft fiber bristles. This brush makes it easy to clean dirt from tires, wheels, bumpers, and grills, making car cleaning easier and more fun. What we like. This kit offers a fantastic value with all the essential tools and cleaners. The concentrated soap delivers great suds, and the wheel cleaner makes your rims shine. If you like a complete, all-in-one solution for car cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. The foam gun really easy to install, just plug and go. The cleaning materials working excellent. The wheel brush works well and cleans effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.